Sound Town CARPO-K8PW speaker review. Big power, smart DSP, and game-changing clarity. Sometimes it feels like your gear is fighting against you instead of helping. You tweak knobs, push faders, and still the room sounds uneven. Frustrating, right? Drop a yes if you've been there. Good news, things don't have to stay that way. Imagine a speaker built to deliver clarity everywhere, not just for the front row. The pressure of presentations, live events, or services can quickly become overwhelming. Audio dropouts, uneven coverage, and stress-filled setups only add to the frustration. Imagine if you could take full control of your sound without adding complexity or chaos. That's exactly where a breakthrough solution steps in, giving you balance, power, and confidence in every performance. What if one speaker system could finally bridge power, precision, and simplicity? The Sound Town CARPO-K8PW does exactly that. Outfitted with four 6.5-inch woofers and dual 3/4-inch compression drivers, it projects sound evenly across wide spaces, keeping speech crisp and music full-bodied. Its Class D amplifier pumps out 600-watt continuous, 1200-watt peak, so you'll never feel underpowered. The Onboard DSP unlocks 4 selectable modes, plus manual EQ, bass boost, and delay, letting you tailor sound like a pro. Need wireless freedom? Bluetooth with TWS pairing transforms 2 units into an instant stereo system, perfect for quick setups without messy cables. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included wall mount bracket, 10 degrees, tilt adapter, and pole mount socket. Built with rugged birch plywood, it's designed for lasting performance in auditoriums, restaurants, chapels, or outdoor events. Here's a bonus tip. One church audio tech reported their congregation stopped complaining about dead spots after switching. That's real transformation. Want more insider tricks? Keep reading, because the next section reveals how professionals are raving about it. The real magic of the CARPO-K8PW isn't just in its specs, it's in the experiences it creates. Industry reviewers call its column array design remarkably even, noting how it eliminates hot spots while making speech crystal clear across wide rooms. Influencers love the TWS Bluetooth pairing, saying it cuts setup time dramatically for weddings, conferences, and pop-up gigs. Analysts highlight its all-in-one DSP and amplifier design, which saves installers from racks of extra equipment while keeping tuning precise. Users agree. Setup was literally plug-and-play, one technician wrote, while another small business owner said, video calls finally sound natural throughout the whole conference room. The Birch plywood cabinet doesn't just look sleek, it eliminates rattles, ensuring clean output even when pushed hard. One DJ said, "I ran this system for hours at full tilt, and it never flinched." Curious yet? Imagine your audience leaning in because they can hear every word, every note, with 0 dropouts. Which feature would save your day? The DSP presets, wireless stereo, or rugged build? Comment below and share. The buzz is growing, and thousands are already discovering why this compact powerhouse has become the talk of audio pros everywhere. Why keep struggling with sound when the solution is right here? Thousands of professionals, churches, DJs, and businesses have already made the switch and seen the difference. Every event, every meeting, every performance feels easier, smoother, sharper. Don't wait until you're stuck with old gear holding you back. Act now. Your perfect sound experience is waiting. Click below to secure yours today and unlock a hidden feature that makes controlling your audio simpler than you thought possible.